Hello, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Pluto TV on Android TV, and to do this, you need to open the application. So you could go to your app library and find the app, and if you do not find the app on app library, there's another method that may work for you. There's some apps that don't show up on app library. If you go to settings, like I'm doing at the bottom left of my screen, and you go over to apps, you could go to see all apps. And this will show all apps, system apps, installed apps, everything. You find them all in one place here, even if they don't display in your app library. So in this case, my app of choice is going to be the Pluto TV app. So I'm navigating to it, and immediately you select the app from here. Just click on open and you're able to launch the app. So this is the app launched. Pluto TV is excellent for a wide variety of things. You could access on the left panel live TV. You could go down to the right and look at all of this. These are featured channels right here. Going above that, you have movies. Scrolling down further, you have other categories. Like right now, you can see comedy, and scrolling down even further, you see classic TV. So the app is not limited. You just need to scroll down and you find a lot of different categories of live TV channels, westerners, science fiction, and what have you. So going to the left, you can see free movies and TV shows. If you toggle on that, you're going to find a wide variety of movies and TV shows that are free on Pluto TV. So you could access these and enjoy these free movies and free TV shows. So give it a couple of seconds for it to load and you find all those movies and TV shows displayed on your screen. Now when using this app, it's very important to ensure you have good internet connection, for it is a very high quality streaming application. So if your connection is good, you enjoy and you have a very seamless experience. So that is a roundup for Pluto TV. This application enables you to stream live TV, movies, TV series, TV shows, and all you can imagine. So if you found value in this tutorial, if you're enjoying this application, come on, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you receive more content like this, and I'll be waiting to see you in the next video.